We're gonna throw these in the microwave and get them all nice and melty. And we're just using these Ghirardelli melting chocolates for our bark. Stuff's amazing. All melted up. Let's put this one to the side. And with the white, we're gonna add a little of this red food coloring. We're making some peppermint bark, so I want a nice red, white chocolate. Let's get that all mixed up. I think we can go a little bit darker. Add a few more drops. Get it nice and mixed in. I think we've got enough red dye number 5 in there. All right, before we pour our chocolate, we got some candy canes going in. Got a little mallet. Go to town on it. All right, all done. Got our parchment lined cookie sheet here. We're just gonna go in with the first layer of our melting chocolate. A little spatula. Don't want to waste any of the goodness. Get it smoothed out. Push it to the edges. Let's swirl in our candy cane. Chocolate. Got me another spatula. And just kind of move it and groove it. Got our crushed up candy cane here. Just go nuts with it. We're making peppermint bark here, so you have as many, or as much candy cane on there as you want. It's got such a great color. Obviously, it's gonna have tons of flavor. People are gonna want this for their Christmas gifts. Straight up. Tell you that right now. They want this for their Christmas gifts. So you make a bunch of this, break it up, put it in a tin. Styling. We're going in with a little bit of red sprinkles in there. Time to get our peppermint bark in the fridge. We're gonna let it set for about an hour, okay? It'll be nice and breakable when we're done. But guys, even right now, this smells amazing. I'll see you in a second. All done, let's crack into it. Comes right off the parchment paper. And we'll give it a snap, and a pop. Make a little bit of mess, but that's all right. Got some varying sizes. The piece came off. I'm gonna grab that one. All right, we're all broken up. Got a plate right here. Stack them up. Let's give them a try. Guys, our peppermint bark is done. You guys can see how easy and fun it is to do. Take your little aggressions out on them candy canes. It's good stuff, y'all. It was not the love. Peppermint and chocolate. Baby, you know it's good. Merry Christmas.